Hey guys, today I just wanted to show you how we do our everyday arrangements that are heading out for delivery. So when we're doing everyday florals, we really want to think about long-lasting flowers and greens so that they'll last beautiful for you at home. And I'll show you the greens that we almost always use in most of our arrangements that we know are hardy and long-lasting and that we can get all year here in the prairies. So we have beautiful Israeli rascus. I'm just going to strip my lower leaves off. So I got 3 stems. This is just going to be a small arrangement that a customer ordered. So I'm just going to kind of crisscross my greens in there. They stay. Next we have tree fern, which is a nice long-lasting green foliage that is really fluffy and is great for filling out the vases. Give it a quick fresh cut. I'm just going to spread that all around my vase. Then I have silver dollar eucalyptus, which we use all year long. Just gonna put a couple big branches to fill out, making a bit of a nest in the bottom with our greens to hold and support our florals. So after we're done greening, I'm going straight into my focal. So we always have a rose, that's our nice big focal flower. These beautiful roses, the bright orange center. I'm gonna make sure these are in the front so the customer can see and appreciate them. So we're putting 2 in here. Usually tuck 1 really in the front and 1 off just to the side. Then I'm gonna go in with my line flowers. I have this beautiful Bells of Ireland, which is also a nice, really hardy line flower. So it's just gonna create a nice solid line in the back. Draw your eye up. We'll put 2 of them kind of next to each other. Make sure they're tucked in there. Then I'm gonna go in. We always do carnations. We have these beautiful Antigua carnations. They're one of my favorites. Removing any laterals, making sure I give it a nice little fluff so it's nice and opened for you to enjoy. One a little shorter off to the side. Some blue thistle, because this is a bright kind of color palette, so we always like to tuck a little pop of blue in with our green and purple. I have some green hypercum berries, just adds a different texture and shape to our design work. We always think about shapes and textures and colors when it comes to making everything we do, I should say, just to create interest. If it's just flat, it becomes boring. So we want your eye to visually see everything that we're putting in here. And then we have some really cute little daisy mums because they're one of the longest lasting flowers. I'll tuck 1 in the back. Then I'll tuck 1 in the front, removing any greens or florals that are in my water line. I'll tuck him right here. Then lastly, I have feverfew. It's just gonna give a nice little pop as our filler. I like to have a nice little filler in there, just as an unexpected kind of item. And then you wanna see him, so we're gonna put him right in the front nice and low. Make sure he's in water. So I got 3 pieces. I'm just gonna kind of spread it across my design so you can enjoy it from kind of all angles. And there we have our bright everyday arrangement that is going to be long lasting and you can enjoy it at home for weeks to come. Thanks for joining. Oh, it's so cute.